Nako! Sana all!
Ba't hindi kami yun? Ako wala. Ba't wala ako? Ano ako?
Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I feel for you. And I see
Wala lang. Tinulak eh. Ganda. Dancing. Ang bitin ko eh. Labas yung ano na likod. Labas ang damit. Naman si Riley. Ba't ganun nakapikit ako? Hindi naman, pero hindi naman nakapikit na.
My dearest wife,
Ay,
sa pagkakatanda, year 2009, nung mag-cross ang mga landas natin,
Mula Los Baños hanggang Alabang, kausap lang kita, kakwentuhan at katawanan. At doon na nagsimula ang isang love story na pangakong buhay.
who would have thought na magiging tayo, hindi ba? Who would have thought na abot tayo ng 7 years together at ikaw pala yung iyaharap sa atin.
Alam kong malayo pa tayo sa mga pangarap na gusto nating maabot, pero I'm very thankful na ikaw ang kasama ko sa buhay na to. Ika nga nila, malayo pa pero malayo na.
Sa akong siman, at tingin ng karamihan sa gaya namin, kasi manluloko kami. At totoo, maraming siman ang nadadala ng puso. Pero ibahin mo ako sa kanila. Walang sino man ang masihigit pa sa'yo. Maski mapapasilyana, blue eyes, o ibang lahi na yun. Dahil ikaw lang ang minahal ko, minamahal ko, at mamahalin ko ng ganito.
Ikaw ang aking saya, ikaw ang aking lungkot, ikaw ang aking pangarap, ikaw ang aking lahat, ikaw ang aking palagi, and most especially, you are my home, and from now on, I know that wherever life takes me, I will always have my home. I love you, Ryan, always and forever.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing can be true love, and never ask for more than you.
I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear.
With Papa God as the center of our relationship, I know we can overcome every single obstacle and challenge life will throw us. You will be my priority, our family will be my greatest priority. Ikaw, si Riley, at ang ating soon-to-be babies.
Never let me down. Turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid.
God, your priority. Dapat ang Diyos ang pinakasentro sa buhay niyo bilang mag-asawa. Ang Diyos ang unang nagmahal at yumakap sa inyo.
Lastly, from this moment, through the years, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, now and forever, kahit na marami pa tayong pagsubok na pagdadaanan, always remember na nothing's gonna change my love for you. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. At ako'y sa'yo, at ika'y aking lamang.
Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
And that was the same day at a video of our